On this World Hand Hygiene Day, ECDC is launching the hyFive app, a smart digital tool designed to support consistent, high-quality hand hygiene monitoring across healthcare settings. How does hyFive work? hyFive is installed at the hospital, the public health institute, or the ministry. Once it's set up, they can easily give access to the IPC teams who will be using it. The end users, hand hygiene observers, open the app on their phone or tablet and record hand hygiene observations on the spot. No paper forms, no double data entry, everything is captured instantly. Hospitals can instantly see compliance rates across units and departments without waiting for manual reports. At the national level, health authorities can view real-time compliance data from every hospital and long-term care facility. The hyFive app is an essential digital health tool that replaces time-consuming paper-based observations with efficient digital recording, analysis, and reporting of hand hygiene compliance. With hyFive, IPC nurses can enter observations on the spot with just a few taps. For healthcare facilities, hyFive can be a game changer. Teams get real-time insights that drive smart, targeted infection prevention interventions. Furthermore, faster, standardized, and more reliable data also support accreditation, streamline audits, and boost internal quality. It brings transparency and accountability across teams, as everyone can instantly see where improvements are needed. It is fast, it is clear, and it transforms data into action. At national level, hyFive offers timely visibility across all types of healthcare facilities where there is interaction of healthcare professionals with patients. Health ministries and national public health institutes can access harmonized data from multiple facilities, identify gaps earlier, benchmark performance, and strengthen national infection prevention and control programs. High-quality, standardized data support better decisions for policy development, resource allocation, and patient safety. By launching hyFive on World Hand Hygiene Day, ECDC highlights how digital tools can strengthen one of the most fundamental actions in healthcare. Clean hands save lives, and hyFive helps turn this principle into measurable, sustained impact across Europe.